Okay, now let's talk about empirical probability. With empirical probability, an experiment has been done, some data has been collected, and it's usually presented to you in a chart format. Now, the formula for probability hasn't changed. It's still the observed number of times that the event occurs over the total. Okay, the grand total goes on bottom. So let's look at this next one. In 2015, there were approximately 254 million Americans ages 15 or older. The table shows the distribution by marital status and gender of this population. Numbers in the table are expressed in millions. So let's look at it. Looks like they surveyed 123 males. 66 were married, 43 were never married, 11 were divorced, 3 were widowed. And it looks like they surveyed 131 females. 67 were married, 38 never married, 15 divorced, and 11 widowed. Now, if you look this way, the totals also go this way. So the total number of married was 133. Total number never married was 81. Total number divorced was 26. Total number widowed is 14. So you need to remember that these last columns represent totals. Sometimes they don't give you the totals and you have to go and add them up yourself. So keep that in mind. And this number on the end will always represent the grand total, okay? Now that we know how to read the chart, let's do this. If one person is randomly selected from the population described above, find the probability the person is divorced, and part B is female. So for the first one, we're going to look at the divorced column. Okay, there's a total of 26 out of the grand total 254. So we put 26 on top. That's the number of divorced people out of the total population 254. Now you can reduce that and leave it as a fraction, or you can change it to a decimal, or you can write your answer as 10%. Don't forget your percent symbol though. Now the next one asked for the number of females. Okay, well, we had 131 that were female out of the grand total 254. So you can reduce that, or you can write it as a decimal, 0.52, or you can write that as 52%. All of those answers would be acceptable.